Now to former President Donald Trump's latest legal troubles. This time, a grand jury in Georgia handing him his fourth indictment this year. He faces 13 criminal charges and is accused of being the head of a criminal enterprise aimed at overturning the 2020 election.
18 of Trump's allies, including former New York City Mayor Rudy Giuliani, were also indicted late last night by an Atlanta area grand jury. The Fulton County District Attorney says they knowingly and willfully tried to change the outcome of the election in favor of Trump. Now they all have until next Friday to voluntarily surrender. Eyewitness News reporter Darla Miles joining us now with the very latest. Darla.
David, Trump has been quiet today. He's planning to break that silence next Monday morning at Bedminster. But there's a current arrest warrant out for him and his co-defendants, which include a former publicist for disgraced singers R. Kelly and Kanye West. But the other famous New Yorker, as you mentioned, Sandra, to be charged in this conspiracy is former New York City Mayor Rudy Giuliani. Former President Donald Trump facing his fourth indictment in a span of 5 months. With the new charges in the Georgia case, there are now 91 criminal counts against the former president.
The defendants engaged in a criminal racketeering enterprise to overturn Georgia's presidential election result.
Trump faces 13 counts accused of racketeering, soliciting a public officer to violate his oath, conspiring to commit forgery, and to file false documents. The former president among 18 familiar and unfamiliar faces named in the indictment.
This is not a machine you want counting your votes.
One of those faces, former New York City Mayor Rudy Giuliani, facing the same RICO charges he pioneered in the 1980s as a federal prosecutor to bring down the mafia.
We're fighting a war against a group that does not have unlimited reserves.
The last two indictments, he's indicted for exercising his First Amendment rights. I'm indicted for being his lawyer. I never thought I'd ever get indicted for being a lawyer.
Surprisingly, another co-defendant is Trevian Kuti. She's a former publicist for R. Kelly and Kanye West and is accused of trying to influence the testimony of a Fulton County election worker. Trump vows he will be exonerated. In a statement, his campaign says the legal double standard set against President Trump must end. Now, in the wake of these new charges, only a handful of Republicans have publicly condemned the former president's election interference claims, including presidential hopeful Asa Hutchinson, the former governor and lieutenant governors of Georgia, and Brad Raffensperger, the Secretary of State who Trump asked to find him 11,000 votes. Today, he said the most basic principles of a strong democracy are accountability and respect for the Constitution and the rule of law. You either have it or you don't. David?
Thank you, Darla. Well, this latest indictment in Georgia means that Trump is now facing a total of 91 felony counts in 4 separate criminal cases. The first indictment came in March on New York State charges when Trump was slapped with 34 counts of falsifying business records tied to hush money payments to Stormy Daniels days before the 2016 presidential election. Now, there are 2 federal cases, one where Trump is facing 4 criminal counts related to accusations he undertook a criminal scheme to overturn the results of the 2020 election. The other includes 40 federal counts stemming from accusations related to his handling and retaining of top secret documents and then scheming to hide them from the FBI. 2 of Trump's employees, Walt Nauta and Carlos de Oliveira, are now charged in that case. And late today, de Oliveira pleaded not guilty to the charges against him. He's accused of plotting with Trump to try to delete security footage sought by investigators. We invite you to stay with Eyewitness News, both on air and online, as we continue to follow all the latest developments in each of these cases.